All right, so I couldn't wait to jack this thing up and take a look because everybody's been saying their undercarriage is going to be rotted out and rusted to shit. But guess what? Surprisingly, this is just dirt. It's not rust. It's not rusted out. It is just dirt. I am really impressed on how well this is held up being just sitting. My son's friend moved here in the 3rd grade, and he knows this truck has been sitting for over 10 years. Like I said, the DOT date on the tires is 08. I'll show you that in a minute. It's been sitting in the same spot. It has not moved. I'm actually really impressed. I have pulled so much worse out. I've been sitting for so less time. I am going to get my pressure washer under here and actually pressure wash this. I already washed the exterior. I'll get you a video of that here in just a little bit. But yeah, the undercarriage is really surprisingly good. I'm really surprised. I think all I'm going to do is pressure wash it, clean it up, and I might do an undercoating on the frame, but that's about it. I mean, you tell me. I don't think this frame is bad. I mean, this thing is not bad at all. Not at all. You got to see the video of the Jeep that I did for my father-in-law. That thing was bad. This, nothing. I was expecting some rust repair, but I ain't going to have to do any. That I can tell. I'm going to have to fix that fender, though, because that fender is coming loose. Video coming later.